Alright, so the butcher had some chicken on sale, but it's not trimmed. The goal here is a skillet chicken in a creamy sun-dried tomato sauce. Now you know me, and I love garlic, so. So really, there's no seasoning involved right now. I put about 2 tablespoons worth of butter. Got the pan nice and hot. Turn it up a little bit. And we're gonna do about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Get this chicken cooked up a little bit in the butter. Right. These are thick pieces, so I'm probably gonna do about 7 minutes on each side. Get these starting to go. And then after 7 minutes on each side, I'm gonna transfer them to a plate. I'm gonna keep them tinted, keep them warm, and I'm gonna start working on the sauce. Water's starting to come to a boil, get those fettuccine noodles going. All right, it's been about 7 minutes, so flip these over. All right, what I did here, while we were off camera, I added the garlic that I cut up. I added about 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. I added that half of a cup of sun-dried tomatoes after I got all the oil out and squoze all the oil out. I put those sun-dried tomatoes in. I added 1 cup of chicken broth. I added about a half a cup of super heavy whipping cream. And then I added about 2/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, like a fresh, organic Parmesan cheese. And so what I'm trying to do now is I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then I'm gonna continue to stir it, and I want it to make my sauce thick and creamy. My noodles are about done. The little boy is hungry. It's time to reintroduce the chicken into the little sauce that we've made here. That. These are big pieces of chicken. Let's hope that this. And the finished product. Here it is. Ba-bam! What do you think? Oh, you're so excited.
I'm starving.
Okay, we'll sit right here and let's do this. Let's dig in. What are your thoughts? Oh, you give it a thumbs down? Oh, you give it a thumbs up! Ah!
I love it more than Daddy.
Oh, wow.
It's good.
You love it? It's good? Mmm.